Hi friends, welcome to our new video. Today I am introducing a drone that can swim as well as fly. Its name is Loon Copter. The biggest problem with buying a regular drone is its inability to swim through the water. If it falls into the water, all the drone will be destroyed. The signals of any drone will not go through the water. That was the reason. But here's the new drone, Loon Copter. This makes it very easy to swim through the water and fly through the air. This will definitely be very useful for you. It is one of the best drones in common drones.